Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Saeco Xelsis Evo. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Let's see, where is the espresso? We get our shot of espresso, and there's no leaks like there was before. We replaced the pump, which I don't have on me right now, and we also replaced this ceramic valve. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.